right? This is the sixth trading week, or should I say the first week of February. And I'm happy to make this video because finally made profit again. But this time, this profit has this trade wiped out all of the losses I made this whole year. Like all of January was terrible, right? But this one trade has I'm instantly profitable again just because of this one trade. And that's the thing with these high probability trades, like daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, plus confluences. Can't go wrong with that. Especially if you've got high RRs, and then your win rate is also going to be higher because you're only taking these high probability trades. There's nothing better than that, right? But anyways, let me get straight into this trade. So on the daily time frame on Euro, all right, this is once again, this is very nice, very clear and easy price action, right? Like price has been going bearish for a while now, and the day before this blue candle, so this white candle here, price actually tried taking this low out, but it failed, right? And what did it form here? Equal lows. And equal lows, equal highs, those are my favorite. So the moment when I saw this, the moment when I saw this, I already knew instantly sell. So what did I do? I went on the lower time frames to look for any institutional resistance levels, right? Order blocks, fair value gaps, or any highs that could be swept before price goes down again. So on the 4 hour time frame, I saw an order block here, and there was also a fair value gap here, right? So yeah, I was basically looking or waiting for price to mitigate this order block for my market structure shift to the downside, and then obviously just ride the wave and enter these equal low and target these equal lows. Since there is like a fair value gap right beneath this order block, I was obviously expecting price to reach this order block, but I was also prepared for it to just reach this fair value gap and then start reversing. Now this is the 1 minute time frame, and these two red lines, that's actually that fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame. So the order block was a little bit more above, but price didn't reach it, right? So as you guys can see, when price reached this fair value gap, right, I saw price rejecting a little, and this right here, I was still neutral, right? Because this may be a pullback or a retracement to this right here, right? It could have very well just retraced here and then continue to go up again and continue its bullish run, right? But when I saw this fair value gap, price reaching this fair value gap and then aggressively move to the downside, I already knew what time it was. So this is a market structure shift. So I then just put my limit around here, and I put my SL above this high, obviously, right? And then I targeted those equal lows. And when I was watching this live, like this was literally a sniper entry. I was like, oh, like this is already a high probability trade. And then I've also got the perfect entry, and my SL was like 6 pips. So there was nothing, like this was basically a perfect trade, right? And once again, when I was watching price live, I saw how price was going up, right? But the thing is, it wasn't just going up. At the time, it was going up aggressive. And once again, whenever I see those kind of stuff, it really gets me like reconsidering the trade, even though I knew that I was right because of all of these confluences, right? So yeah, I didn't let it get to my head too much, but it did kind of bother me, right? So I just closed the laptop. I just closed the laptop, stepped away from the charts, and went to do something else, right? When I hopped back on the charts, I saw this price was moving swiftly very nice, right? And as you guys can see, price moved very, very nicely and also managed to reach my CP, right? Now, once again, I've like generally traumatized me, right? Like I'm not gonna like I will never forget that one trade when price was like 0.10 pips away from my TP and then it just reversed on me. Like, and before that, I had the exact same thing. Price was like 2 pips from my TP and then reversed on me and hit SL, right? So when I saw this and then this, I was like, bro, not again, please. But fortunately for me, now I'm actually taking partials, right? Before, like with the other two trades, I wasn't taking any partials. I was just laying the full position open, right? So when price was around here, I took 50% off. I already won the trade. Even if price was to hit me at or take me out at break even or whatever price was gonna do, I already won the trade, right? So if it was to hit TP, that was just extra profit. So yeah, price did eventually hit my TP and it was a very, very nice trade, right? Very nice trade. And yeah, man, that was the that was literally the only trade I took this week. I'm telling you, I'm only gonna be taking these high probability setups because like, all right, I might have taken one trade this week, but bro, if I can even just have like 3 of these trades a month, that's like, bro, that's good. Yeah, get me. That's perfect. I don't need to trade every single day. I don't need that. Just high probability, very easy and simple, straight to the point setups. And yeah, man. So So yeah, we started off February very good. We wiped out all of the losses that we made in January. If I want, I could even just stop trading for this month because this profit alone was already it was very good. So, but obviously, if I see like another high probability setup, then I'm obviously gonna take the trade, right? But I'm not gonna take these little hesitant trades, right? So yeah, man. And I told you guys January might have been a little bit meh, but I told you guys February I'm gonna make up for it, right? January might have been a very bad month, right? The first month of the year. Maybe I should have held back a little on the trades. Or now to be honest, if I was taking partials, I would have won way more trades. The reason why I was not profitable in January was because of the trades that I lost that I normally would have won if I had taken partials, right? And then those 2 missed trades, bro. Everybody misses trades. It's very normal. So it was literally just because I wasn't taking any partials, right? But yeah, man, February, I'm telling you, February is gonna be the one. February is gonna be a very good month. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.